Hey everyone, welcome back to Speak English Flow. I'm Emma.
And I'm Mohin.
Day 5 of our 30-day English practice challenge, and today we're going to the movies.
Oh, I have a movie theater story that ended with me watching the completely wrong film.
Wait, how does that even happen?
Patience, we're building up to it.
Fine, but I'm genuinely excited for this one. Okay, so here's something people don't really think about. Going to the movies actually involves several separate mini conversations, back to back.
True. There's buying the ticket, picking your seat, the snack counter, and then actually finding the right theater.
And every single one of those has its own little back and forth.
So why does this feel more complicated than, say, ordering food?
Because unlike a restaurant, you're moving through several different stations, each with a slightly different type of question. It's less one scene, more a short film with several scenes.
Okay, that's a good way to put it. We're basically building today's own little movie.
Exactly. Let's write the script for it, one scene at a time. Scene 1. The box office or the ticket counter. What usually happens here?
Honestly, this is where I get nervous because there are so many little details. The movie, the time, how many tickets, where to sit.
Right. And each of those is just one short question, but stacked together, it can feel like a lot at once.
So how do we simplify it?
Let's just walk through it live, and you'll see it's way smaller than it feels. I'll be the box office worker, you're buying tickets.
Okay, give me a second to get into customer mode.
Hi there, what can I get for you today?
Hi, 2 tickets for the 7 o'clock showing, please.
Sure thing. Any seating preference? We've got some seats left in the middle and near the back.
Middle would be great, thanks.
Perfect. That'll be $24.
Here you go. Also, which theater number is it?
Theater 6, just down the hall on your left.
That felt shockingly simple.
See that? 2 tickets for the 7 o'clock showing. One sentence covers almost the whole request. All right, scene 2, the snack counter, which honestly might be the most stressful 5 minutes of the entire outing.
This is so true. There's popcorn sizes, drink sizes, combos, and I never know what any of it actually means.
What usually happens?
I usually just point and hope for the best.
Okay, let's fix that completely. I'll be behind the counter this time.
All right, here we go.
Hi, what can I get started for you?
Could I get a medium popcorn and a large soda, please?
Sure. Did you want the combo? It's actually cheaper than buying them separately.
Oh, what does the combo include?
It's a medium popcorn, a large drink, and a candy of your choice, all for $2 less than buying them apart.
Oh, that's a great deal. Yes, let's do the combo, please.
Great choice. Any preference on the candy?
Whatever's chocolate is fine with me.
You just handled prices, a combo deal, and a preference question.
Honestly, what does the combo include felt like such a natural question to ask.
Can I tell you something that used to genuinely stress me out about snack counters when I first moved somewhere new? I used to avoid asking, "What does this include?" completely. I'd just order the first thing I recognized, even if it wasn't what I actually wanted.
That's exactly what I do with combos.
Right? But one day I finally asked, and the answer took literally 5 seconds, and I ended up getting a way better deal than I would have guessed on my own.
So again, the fear was way bigger than the actual moment.
Every single time. That gap keeps showing up in almost every situation we cover in this challenge. Speaking of snack counters, can I share a quick American culture note here?
Please, go for it.
A couple things. First, most American theaters don't allow outside food or drinks, so if you're wondering why the snack prices feel a bit high, that's part of why.
Oh, I always wondered about that.
Second thing, previews and trailers usually run for a good 10 to 15 minutes before the actual movie starts. So if the listed time says 7 o'clock, the movie itself might not start until closer to 7:15.
That's actually really useful. I always thought I was running late when I wasn't.
Such a common confusion. No need to sprint through the parking lot.
Honestly, that trailer timing thing alone would have saved me so much stress in the past.
These little cultural details make such a difference. And if these small insights are genuinely helping you feel more prepared, no pressure at all. Subscribing just means we get to keep sharing more of them with you.
Okay, Emma. I believe I owe everyone a very confusing movie story.
You do. Let's hear it.
Okay, so years ago, I bought a ticket and I heard the worker say the theater number, but I completely misheard it.
Oh, no.
I confidently walked into Theater 3 instead of Theater 8, sat down, and about 20 minutes in, I realized I was watching a completely different film than the one I'd paid for.
Wait, did you leave?
Function first, dignity second. No, I actually just stayed and watched the wrong movie. It was fine, honestly. Better than admitting my mistake out loud.
That is exactly why which theater number is such a good habit to build. Just repeating it back once would have saved that entire situation.
A very expensive lesson in listening carefully.
Let's do one more little scene because sometimes things don't go according to plan, like a showtime being sold out.
Oh, this has actually happened to me too.
Let's practice it. I'll be the worker again. Hi there. What can I get you today?
Hi, 2 tickets for the 7 o'clock showing, please.
I'm so sorry. That showing's actually sold out. We do have seats available at 7:45, though.
Oh, no problem. Is there a different movie starting closer to 7 in case we don't want to wait?
Actually, yes. There's another film starting at 7:10 in Theater 4.
Perfect. Let's do 2 tickets for that one instead, please.
And scene. That was a smooth recovery from a sold-out situation.
I didn't even panic that time. I just asked for other options.
Let's grab one more useful line from that. Is there a different thing in case? That's a really flexible way to ask about alternatives without sounding demanding.
Is there a different showtime in case this one's full? I can already think of 5 other places I'd use that.
Exactly the goal. One flexible sentence shape that solves a lot of unexpected moments. All right, let's do our word tour before we wrap up. Mohin, want to start us off?
Sure. First word?
Showing, a specific scheduled screening of a movie, like the 7 o'clock showing.
Got it. Not the movie itself, just that particular time slot.
Exactly right. Next, combo, a bundled deal, usually cheaper than buying items separately.
Did you want the combo from our snack counter scene?
Perfect. Next, sold out, when all the tickets or seats for something are already gone.
I'm sorry, that showing is sold out. A phrase I now know how to respond to, not just hear helplessly.
Exactly. Next, matinee, an earlier, often cheaper showing, usually in the afternoon.
Good to know if I'm trying to save a little money.
Very useful. Next, alternative, another option when the first choice doesn't work out.
Is there a different showtime in case? Ties right back into that.
Perfectly connected. Next, trailer, a short preview clip shown before the main movie.
Which explains why the movie doesn't start exactly on time.
Exactly. And last, preference, what you personally like best when given a choice.
Any seating preference? Right from our very first roleplay.
A perfect note to end the word tour on. So, if there's one thing to take from today, it's this. A night at the movies is really just a series of small, ordinary conversations, one right after another. None of them are actually complicated on their own.
And even when something goes wrong, sold-out showings or accidentally walking into the wrong theater, there's always a simple sentence that gets you back on track.
Exactly. Today's whole episode was really just proof that the big outing is made of very small, very learnable pieces. Thank you so much for spending this time with us today. It genuinely means a lot.
And here's your homework. Next time you're at the movies, or even just imagining it, try saying 2 tickets for the time showing out loud once for real practice.
And we'd love to know, where are you watching from and what should day 6 be about? Drop it in the comments. We read every single one.
Until next time, take care everyone.
Bye everyone. See you on day 6.